Hi guys, welcome back. Video, I have to show you what we got from Africa. Hey guys, we got everything from Africa. Egusi, ogbono, every damn thing from Africa. Watch out and see what we got.
Okay.
Baby, are you seeing?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Okay.
So this is about 16 kilo.
16 kilo.
Even though we were told it was 19 kilos. So when the goods arrived, I measured it. It was 16 kilo. But it doesn't matter. 3 kilo is gone.
Nah, 3 kilos is not small money, baby.
I know it's not small
It's
money.
30 euro, baby.
So this came in about 2 weeks from Nigeria to Germany. Not up to 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So
a week and 3 days.
Okay, a week and some days. So now we'll be unboxing just to show you guys what is in there. So first, what's that?
Crayfish.
Crayfish. Okay, so you just need to bring out all the stuff. Just bring all of it out first, then we'll check medicine.
Hey, my carburetor cleaner. You see the lights here now. Carburetor cleaner. Bagaba. Hey. I like cookie hammer. Your man new. It's short. Hey. My carburetor cleaner. Keep on one side, baby. Let's talk of my carburetor cleaner.
What is this? So my sister-in-law helps us to get all of these.
This is abono.
So I am so happy because all this food stuff here is quite expensive in diaspora. And this is what's that?
Stockfish.
Stockfish. Okporoko.
Chai, my bagaba na be number 1.
Okay, you mean the medicine?
Yeah, my bagaba.
What's that?
Dry fish.
Dry fish. Okay.
Wow.
Fish.
Yeah, dry fish.
And what's that?
Mama, I have fish.
It's cleaned already. We can check that later though. We'll check it.
Vegetable or that one.
Is that not the oha?
It's like oha.
Okay, drop it. We'll check it later.
That's all buy.
That should be fish.
Dry fish. Oh.
Okay.
Check my bagaba is with me.
What's that?
Bitter leaf.
Bitter leaf, okay. Onugbu, that's dry bitter leaf. What's that? Pepper, okay. Grounded pepper.
Grounded pepper.
You know pepper is a must when you're eating.
Wow.
What's that?
Confirm.
Oh, camphor.
Yeah,
Yeah. For clothes. I love camphor in my clothes. I love them so much. That's also fish, I guess.
I think so. Bomo.
Bomo, dry bomo, okay.
Wow. What?
Cola.
Cola, oh, bitter cola.
Yeah.
Papa.
Chai.
And that should be egusi because, right?
I think so.
Egusi, it should be egusi.
It's 100%. It's egusi.
Because it's heavy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's open them one after the other.
This is egusi.
Okay. So guys, this is pretty much.
Hey, I know if we wait tomorrow. I don't get anywhere tomorrow. Not to just to eat. After eating, we go continue.
Continue what, please?
We will continue now, baby. You know this sweet you.
Okay, so guys, now we are going to, open this stuff and, show you guys what's inside. So stay tuned. Wow, look at the egusi. So that's egusi.
Wow.
So this egusi is about,
Wow.
I'm not putting egusi.
I think it's about 2 buckets, right?
Yeah, 2 buckets.
Yeah, 2 buckets. So we are going to air dry this because as you guys can see,
wow,
we are going to air dry it.
It's egusi, 100%.
Wow.
Wow, no be small wow from testimony.
Okay, guys, so this is our egusi. Just look at that. This is about 2 pints.
2 penta.
And it cost, that is 5,000 naira.
Yeah,
5,000 naira is like 10 euro. So just look at that. If you are to get this egusi here in Germany, this egusi will worth about 200
euro
to 250 euro. But we got this for 10 euro from Nigeria. So we are going to open the rest of the stuff and show you guys. Stay tuned. Next is what is that? Crayfish. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Crayfish.
And the crayfish is about 2 pints as well, right? Or 1 pint?
1 pint.
1 pint of crayfish.
No, 2 pints.
2 pints? Okay, yeah. Look at that. And what? How much was that?
I think 2,525 also.
Okay, so the crayfish is also 5,000 naira for 2 pints. That is also like 10 euro. Wow. This is wow. So we should have some left there, right?
Yeah, almost half left also.
Wow, and this is about 3 liters plastic.
Yeah, this 3 liter.
Here is the pepper. Oh my god, I can perceive the smell. So this is original pepper, no mixed. Hey. Oh my god, just look at that. This is original.
This last for 1 year.
Chili pepper, original one. Mama, leave there. So this is 1 pinta of pepper.
Yeah, 1 pinta.
And this is how much? This is about
2.5 also.
Nah, it's not up to 2.5. Look at that smell.
2.5, baby.
Okay, so this is about 5 euro. 5 euro.
Up to 2.5, yeah.
Oh, baby, you're touching pepper.
You got.
So this is the dry fish. So this is panla.
This is your own, baby.
Yeah, panla fish. So yeah, and this is about 3,500 naira, which is like 8 euro if I'm not mistaken, 8 or 7 euro, as you guys can see. Just 3,500 naira fish. Like wow. Ah, the smell, oh my god, I can imagine this in a white stew, like buka stew. Why must you pour the So here is dry fish, which is catfish, I think.
I don't know, I've never been there.
Why is that?
Dry fish.
Oh,
Me too.
so I think I have to wash it and oven dry it.
Yeah, just to dry it. Because you don't take for that night long.
No, I think I have to oven dry this.
Yeah.
So we have to put this in a bowl first before this nylon.
Bowl, or put this in something to dry it on the
No, we have to wash that white thing now.
Nah, I don't need to wash them, baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah, dry on the oven, you get. Just to dry in the oven.
Okay.
So, just dry it in the oven. That's just what they want. Dry them for oven.
But I think it's necessary to wash that white thing. No, it's a must to wash
This
it.
is in a high, can't come out. Even if fire truck and it don't come out, you don't need to wash. What you want come wash inside? Maybe watch the sweetness come out.
Yo, sorry.
Yeah. See,
Well, if I want to cook it, I'll definitely wash.
See.
Okay.
You don't need to wash anything. Just put them for oven, dry them.
That's a lot of fish.
It's white.
See, so just dry them for the oven.
White.
See, you don't need dry. Nothing else. Don't wash anything.
This is oha leaf. So when my sister-in-law got this, it was fresh. So, but now it is like it's getting spoiled. I told my husband that we should throw it out. He said no, that we are going to make oha soup tomorrow. So I don't know if I can use this leaf or not, but we are going to use it according to Oga. And here I have a pomo. So this is dry pomo. So I'm going to soak this in water. Yeah, and the pomo will be soft. And here I have camphor, right? Oh, I can perceive the smell already, guys. I don't joke with camphor. I love camphor in my clothes. Yeah, you can call me local, but I love it. I love the smell of camphor in my wardrobe. So over there is what's there? That is onugu, which is bitter leaf, but it is dried. She bought it dried. Oh my god, look at that. So that is dried bitter leaf.
Try it.
So, and what's this? What's that?
Stockfish.
Stockfish. Okporoko.
Stockfish no poroko ni.
Okporoko, yeah.
No be poroko be stockfish.
Then what is stockfish?
Na fish where they stock. You know the hear you are problem be say you no go dey hear English, you go dey form.
Stockfish is okporoko in Igbo.
Stockfish is fish where they don't stock. No they talk we hear I don't know.
I don't hear. Sorry.
You go school pass me ni.
No verse.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I hear you.
Wow.
That is stockfish. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ah, look at this smell. Oh, I'm just imagining my soup with all this. Oh my goodness, look at that.
5.
Oh, look at the stockfish has lots of fish. This one is not bonbon, no.
Nah, no.
It's not bonbon.
Like that.
Wow. So guys, so here are the final results of the stuff that we got. So as you can see here, this is the dry fish. Here is ogbono. Here is our pepper. Here is our crayfish, and that's over there is egusi. And here we have okporoko, and this is camphor. And here we have stockfish, which is okporoko, and here we have momo, which is this cow skin, and here is oha leaf, even though it's dry, but yeah, obviously we are going to cook with it. And over here we have bitter cola nuts, and also I have earring for my daughter, and that is methylatum rub, and also fombate.
Thank you all so much for watching.
See you again.
See you again.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.